on, everybody? Doing a little put together, then I'll be doing a review on these later on. Right now it's too cold out to really bash. If we get a nice day, I'll take it out and run it. These, obviously you can probably tell it's something for this. These are from 3DRC, and they are the wing mounts for the arrma Creighton, Notorious. They make them for the Italian, Outcast, what have you, whatever takes these mounts. But these are flexible. If you haven't seen these yet, go on, check them out. They're like 15 bucks plus shipping. Can't go wrong with that. I mean, your stock ones are probably around the same price, I believe, because I bought them before. But what we're going to do is we're going to throw these on there, see how they look, see how everything goes together. And yeah, I mean, we'll throw them on the Notorious here in a little bit and see how everything works out. So let me get to wrenching here. This isn't the Notorious wing. I replaced it with the, I want to say the Typhon wing. That was much cooler looking. Could probably make this faster using my drill gun, which, why the hell not? Be stupid not to, right? Oh, need this. $3. Remember, give me $3. That's what I want. Okay. Where's that? I guess you look at it. So, the reason why this media session is being that much at the beginning. There we go. It's all together. Wings gets a little higher. I mean, it's not that much higher. It's just a couple millimeters, but you know, whatever. Get used to it. Don't be a bitch about it. So let me grab the Notorious and we'll get her fitted on. So just to skip all over the nonsense of putting it on. It's pretty simple. Lots of videos out there on how to do it. So it's on there. Let's check this bad boy out. Look at that. You could not do that with a stock wing. That is just amazing. So what I'll do is, being my video cut out halfway through, that's the reason why I didn't get all of it on video of me putting it together. But a couple of things, you know. If you've done one before with the old plastic, and I'm sure you have if you're at this point, it's pretty simple. I mean, this is just absolutely, I am truly pleased with this. Like, we'll really see how she does when she's digging in the dirt and bad landings and all that stuff. But, you know, we'll go over my car real quick since it's a short video and really have nothing to tell you about. It's the arrma Notorious. Got RPM arms on her. RPM bumper. Hot racing stabilizers. Front and rear. 40mm fan to keep that motor nice and cool. Hot racing steering arm. Then a hot racing servo holder. And I have the RPM skid plate on the back. RPM arms in the rear. Stock tires. Sanded down the shock towers. Painted them. Prior to me doing this video, I didn't know that my bulkhead was broken. Hence the reason why the arm wasn't holding on. I thought it was the shock towers that actually held everything. So I went on Jenny's RC. Ordered 2 new stock ones. $9.99. Can't go wrong. Check them out. I heard about them through Hardcore RC. Love his videos. East Tactics. I love his videos. I like watching all those guys, you know. Especially Hardcore RC. He's pretty much straight to the point. You don't mix words. You don't, do it for the products and all that stuff. You just, he really just kind of tells you how it is. East Tactics, full of knowledge. A lot of trial and error there. Really enjoy watching his videos, learn a lot. That's where I got the idea for the 40mm fan. So, got them on Amazon. Got the screen from work. This piece of plating down here. Aluminum plating. Got that from work. And then the heat sink I just ordered from Amazon. You get 5 for like $5. Cheap. But I feel like I'm kind of dragging on here. But back to it. So if you want to get one of these, I'll leave the link in the description. I recommend them so far. Just from what I've seen here. And, just like... I mean, the only thing I can see happening is maybe these bolts pulling out, or this bolts here pulling out of the rear. But, I mean, even if that happens, I mean, sure you're not, you're not a dummy out there. You just maybe use a longer bolt with a washer on the outside here. That should work. But all in all, I mean, they look amazing. You can get them in multiple colors. I chose red because my theme's kind of like red and blue. It was red, white, and blue until I dyed my bash body. But, I'll leave the link in the description. You guys can check it out for yourself, see what you think. Give the small guy a chance, support local or small businesses. That's what it's all about. Big guys make enough money off of us when we buy the car, so let's support the small companies. Alright, this is Anarchy RC. Talk to you guys in the next video.